In this video, we'll take a look at how you can connect via Bluetooth a pair of wireless headphones. So here we have a pair of wireless headphones, and we're going to connect this to our Garmin Vivoactive 4. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn it on and put it into pairing mode. And for this particular headset, it's this way. So this is now in pairing mode. And now on our device, what we're going to do here is going to press and hold the back button or the hold button. And we will scroll and tap on the gear icon. And from that, we're going to scroll down to music and tap. And then we're going to tap on headphones. And we're going to tap on add new. And it's going to search. Oh, there it is. That's our headphones. So there you go. Tap on that. There you go. Now we're connected to these Bluetooth headphones. Now this will only play music that's downloaded on the Vivoactive 4, and we'll cover how to put music on here in another video. Well, there you go. That's quickly how you can connect pair of Bluetooth headphones to your Garmin Vivoactive 4.